welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to do the assembly of machine vice and also the drawing of machine vice. So in the list, open the file where we have saved all the parts of the machine vice. So go to part list and here open the file where we have saved the parts. So I have saved the parts, all the parts of machine vice in the folder called machine vice. And now insert the part number 1 into the main screen and go to top and make the part number 1 isometric. So now let us insert the part number 2, that is movable jaw, and we have to fix this movable jaw into the groove in the main body. So for that, go to assembly, select mate, select the bottom surface of the movable jaw and this surface on the top, and now go to assembly, select this surface, go to mate, select this surface and okay. Let me hide the planes first. Go here and hide all the planes by selecting them and right click hide. Now go to assembly, select mate, select this surface and this surface here, and now it's okay. Now using move option, bring the movable jaw inside the main body. Click on OK. Here select the linear option and just move it. So let me insert the jaw grip for both movable jaw and the fixed jaw on the body. So make it isometric and align the jaw in the smaller screen and then bring it to the main screen. Go to assembly, select mate, select this back surface of the grip, that is jaw grip, and select this surface here and now rotate. Go to assembly and select mate, select the bottom surface, that is this bottom surface here and this surface on the movable jaw, and again go back to assembly, select here planar align, select this surface and this surface. So now the grip is in its position. Similarly, insert the grip into the fixed jaw of the body by using mate and then again using the mate at the bottom surfaces and finally using planar align. Okay, now we have the jaw grip attached to the fixed jaw of the main body. Now we have to fix it. For that we have to insert the screw. So drag 4 screws into the screen. Let me initially bring 2 screws. So first we have to go to planar align, select this surface and the surface of grip, and once they are planar aligned, then go to axial align, select the cylinder of screw and the whole internal hole of the jaw grip. Similarly, follow the same steps to insert all the screws to movable jaw and also to the fixed jaw. Similarly, insert the screw to the jaw grip of the fixed jaw, that is the body. Here I have skipped the part to save the time. Next part which we have to insert is screw rod. For that, let me make the body isometric and let us bring the screw rod into the main screen. Now go to assembly, select axial align, select the cylinder or any cylinder and select this hole, and now go to move option, select this, click on OK and select the screw rod and just drag it back. Now go to assembly, click on mate, or flash fit, anything. Let me use mate. Select this surface and this surface and OK. Now go to move option, click on OK. Try to make this hole to face upwards. So let me go to top view. Rotate it until we get the circle at top center, that is hole at top center. OK. Now go back to isometric view. The next part which we have to insert is washer, nut and lock nut. So let me rotate it and let me insert the washer. Place the washer in its position by using mate and then using axial align. Next we have to insert next we have to insert nut, that is part number 7. Here also first use mate option and then use axial align option. And similarly insert the lock nut also. Let me make the two nuts planar. OK. So go to select any nut, go to assembly, or let's rotate it a bit, and now using flash fit we'll align both the nuts. Select this surface and this surface, and now both the nuts are aligned. The last part which we have to insert is clamping plate. So for that, let me rotate the body and make them aligned, then bring the clamping nut plate to the main screen. So here let me first align the holes on the body and also the holes on the clamping plate to be actually aligned. When we align both the holes, the plate will be in complete alignment with the movable jaw. Now go and click on mate, select the bottom surface of the plate and this surface of the jaw, and now the plate is positioned. So similarly as we did with the grip, insert the screws to the clamping plate. Also follow the same steps as we did previously. Here we can use mate option also. Now we are done with the assembly of Machinewise. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to support me and share with your friends and help them learn also. If you have any suggestions, you can always contact me through comments. We are done with the assembly. Let me save that. Okay, and let us now start with drawing. So for that, go to File and select Create Drawing option. Okay. Now here click Next, go to Custom. Here the here the model is in position. Okay, close. Select the following as shown in the screen. Click on Finish. Place it in the sheet. Go to Sheet Setup. Select A4 sheet and unclick Show Background. Bring all the drawings into the screen. And click on Fit Screen and remove the unnecessary ones. And then using Cutting Plane and Section View, generate the sections or the views which you want, and during exam generate the sections which are asked in the question. So use scale option to increase the size of the figures or images. And you have to neatly align all the images into the screen so that it looks very neatly. Now go to parts list to insert the table and insert the balloons on the figure or drawing. This should be selected. Select any drawing to which you have to insert the balloons. Click on finish. So place the table in the correct place, and at the bottom of the sheet enter your name and USN. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in next video.